How to take care of your skin naturally. So when you follow the principle of from the kitchen to the bathroom, that is the best way to take care of your skin. And what that means is basically use edible food grade products for cleansing, toning and moisturizing your skin. And how do we do that? So cleansing, if you do it with a clay based face pack or a lentil based face pack or a fruit based face pack, which you make a paste with things like rose water, aloe vera gel, raw milk, curd, any of these. Or even if you use something just like honey on your skin, that is good enough for cleansing the face. And then toning you do with a hydrosol like rose or lavender water or aloe vera water. And then moisturizing you do with an aloe based lotion or aloe based gel for nourishing your skin. So if you do these things consistently daily, you would not need commercial toxic facials once a month or twice a month to take care of your skin, which actually only make your skin lighten up or glow for just a day or two, and then it reverses back to normal. Also, they leave so much toxicity behind, which goes much beyond 2 days. So why use such products when you know that they are harmful in the long term? So our skin is the largest organ that we have. It absorbs everything that you apply on the skin. So ideally, everything that you apply should be edible. So you should be able to eat your face packs and your creams and your lotions and your toners. And if you can't, then you need to think, what is it that you're doing? Are you just looking at some good aroma products? Are you just looking at benefits in the short term? Or are you concerned about your skin, which is like gold? This is the only skin you get for this lifetime. So take good care of it and take good care of your body. Put the right foods in your body, put the right products on your skin, and your skin will really thank you for this. Thank you.